Namaskar. Hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one item from my collection. So let's start. This is a 20th century British India coin which was struck in the year in which Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose made the great escape from the house arrest done by the Britishers in Kolkata. As you can see, the denomination of this coin is half rupee. The year is 1944. The denomination, the name of the country, the year is mentioned within a circle, and outside the circle there is a wreath consisting of lotus flowers, thistle, shamrock leaves, and roses. At the back of it, there is a crown bust of King George VI facing left, the ruler under which this coin was minted. He was the last ruler of the British India Empire and also the first head of Commonwealth following the London Declaration of 1949. Along with the bust, you can see George VI King Emperor is also embossed. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it.